Okay, welcome back to Riley's third greatest hit. This is amazing. I've actually made more videos than I probably have all year. Sorry they're not as good as quality as some people do, like that guy from Montana. He is really good, just learning. But now we're going to do number 39 as a class, so it's going to be pretty cool. K39 is very, very similar to what we just saw in 37. Okay, we have Ag plus, and this is aqueous, plus a chlorine, which is aqueous, and that yields AgCl. Okay, the delta H, or the enthalpy, equals negative 65.5 kilojoules. Wow, that joules looks horrible. Kilojoules. Okay, so A, right off the bat, and you should be following along hopefully in your textbook so you kind of have an idea what these problems are asking. Okay, but on 39, A wants to know, calculate the delta H. So delta H is our question. That's what we're looking for. Okay, calculate the delta H. If we start with 0.200 moles of AgCl. Okay, so we have that many moles, so what we can do, we can just go 1 mole of AgCl, because this right here is a proportion to moles, and our coefficient in the balanced equation is 1, so that is negative 65.5. There's a point there. Okay, negative 65.5 kilojoules, cross them out, cross them out, cross the moles out, cross the moles out. That one equals negative 13.1 kilojoules. Okay, B. It's very similar again, except this time we're going to start with grams, so there's going to be another step in our picket fence, and that is no problem, 2.5 grams of AgCl, so we just have to convert grams to moles. That's 143 is our molar mass of AgCl. 0.3 grams AgCl equals 1 mole. Now we're back to where we were, so then it's 1 mole of AgCl equals negative 65.5 kilojoules, and that equals negative 1.14 kilojoules. Okay, and then C is another reverse reaction here, because as you read C, it wants to know what's going to happen when that goes that way. Okay, so we have to flip it. So we start with the 0.150. This is a new term for you, millimole. So it's a milli of a mole. So 1 millimole equals 0.001 mole. And this is, of course, all AgCl. And then we can go back and you have 1 mole of AgCl equals a positive 65.5 kilojoules. And your answer should come out to be 9.8 times 10 to the minus 3 kilojoules. Those reverse reactions are tricky, but it's just Hess's law. So good luck with those. Hopefully this is making sense. A lot of this is just using the enthalpy as a proportion to calculate different things from the equation. Some good old stoichiometry.